In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Malibu key fob. Some of you out there might have this Malibu flipping key that has a different number of buttons than mine. I have the 3-button version. There's also a 4-button and a 5-button version. It doesn't matter which one you have, the process is going to be the same to open it up, and the battery they take is also the same. So you can just follow along with me here, and I promise we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only thing you really need to get it done is one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get these batteries, you can go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, the first step to opening this thing up is just flipping out the key. We now want to look over on the back and actually inside where the key just came from. What we want to do is just push off this little back section of plastic. So let me show you very quickly how easy it is. You can literally just push up on the lip on the inside of here, holding on this top part of plastic because that will not be moving. That's fixed in place. You just hold there, come in here on the lip on the inside, and push up. If yours is feeling a little tight or that is too difficult for you, you can take a large coin like a quarter. You can insert it in here, again on the bottom, not up here. This will not be moving. You want to put it down here to remove this back section of plastic. So you'll just insert it in the key hole, the key area, and twist the coin. Probably want to hold it up here, twist, and this will come off pretty easily for you. Pull it off with your fingers, set it to the side, and now we have access to the battery. Removing the battery is super easy. If you can see this little tab of plastic that holds it in place, if you just push with your fingernail right next to that tab, push on the battery right next to that little tab, the battery will just pop right out. You can see how easy that is. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery now. Take a new CR2032 battery. And when you're putting your new battery in, you want the positive side that has the plus sign and the text to be facing up. So make sure when you slide it under there that it is positive side up. And now all we need to do is just click this back piece of plastic back on there. So line it up, snap it on, and with that you are finished and good to go. If that video helped you out, you can always let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we've got you covered with a video for the device, videos for the devices of pretty much every maker model out there. And if you're interested, you can also get that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.